If you want your business to grow faster without working harder, you need to see this. GoHighLevel is basically a growth machine disguised as software. I'm dropping a QR code and link on the screen. Scan it anytime. Let me show you why everyone's switching to GoHighLevel.
Most businesses are stuck using outdated systems. 10 different apps, none of them connected, leads slipping through the cracks. It's chaos. GoHighLevel replaces all of that. Funnels, CRM, automation, email, SMS, calendars, everything in one place. Build funnels, track leads, automate follow-up, send campaigns, book appointments, manage reviews, use AI tools. It's like having a full marketing team inside one dashboard. Most people save hundreds a month by ditching all the other subscriptions. Agencies? They make money by reselling accounts. Over 40,000 businesses use GoHighLevel. Coaches, gyms, realtors, contractors, everyone. Scan the QR code or hit the link. Try it free. See how much easier your business can run.
GoHighLevel is the growth engine you didn't know you needed. Check it out.